Rajakopotasana. For that, come to Kapotasana or downward leg pose. From Rajakopotasana, you can go to downward dog pose or Kapotasana. Then gently bring your left foot in between the two palms. Then fold your left knee and place your right knee over the ground. This way. Then gently hold your left knee and keep your hip square to the ground. And the right leg should be straight. This way you have to sit, keeping your hip square. And gently inhale and hold your right knee and bring your right toes toward the head. Hold your right toes with your right hand and gently keep near to the crown of your head and hold the big toes with your left hand upright. This is the final position for Rajakopotasana. Hold this position for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or as much as you can. And gently release your toes, straighten your right leg. And exhale and move your forehead towards the ground. Relax and keep your right leg completely lifted. You can keep both your arms beside the body this way. Relax till your feet become normal. And this is a very effective asana and advanced posture also. Initially, it is a little bit difficult for you, but gradual practice will be helpful for you. And after your breath become normal, inhale and raise your body up by help of your palms, both hands and palms. Then again, go back to Kapotasana or downward dog pose. You will practice the same on the other side. Gently bring your right foot in between the two palms. Left knee over the mat. Then bend your left, right knee and leg over the mat. Square your hip joint and hip over the mat. After that, gently hold your left knee, hold your left toes with your left hand. Bring the toes near to the ground and hold your left big toe with your right hand and open the final position of Rajakopotasana. This is the final position. Hold this position minimum to 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Literally very good posture massage of abdomen, lower and upper back, arms, thighs, hips. Then gently exhale, release your legs and bring back your forehead to the ground. Relax. Till your breath become normal. It is a very effective asana for almost all the organs and system, internal all your muscles and joints. Open up your hips and very good for your organs, genital organs, abdomen, intestine. So keep on practicing this asana. Inhale up. So this is the way how to perform Rajakopotasana. I hope it will be helpful for you. Keep on practicing it. For such type of video, stay tuned with Sumi Kayakalpam. Subscribe my channel, share it, like it. Take care, keep smiling. Namaskar.